How do we know which trend the market is in? I'm going to show you how to determine the trend using one tool. And no, it is not the moving averages. The tool we are using today to determine a trend is called the regression channel. If we go to trend lines tool and we click on it, you'll see by channels, it says regression trend. So we'll click on that. You'll choose the bottom of the price of the market, and then you'll drag it up to the most current value. Once you click on it, it'll give you the trend direction. It will give you the resistance and the support and the middle line of where it's going. So you can get an idea of which way the market is going apart from just using your eyes. So another thing that you can use with the regression trend is when the price is above the 50%, we know that it's in a bullish and uptrend. And if the price is below the 50%, then we know it's in a downtrend within the certain direction. So for example, this market is going up, right? Over here, it crossed down and it went into the bearish side of the uptrend, and then it went back up. Then it came back down, formed a new low, went up, and you can see here that this is a gradual uptrend, which means that it has a higher likelihood of moving up rather than down, and this will help you determine which direction the market is in. So let's sum that up. First, we're going to go to trend lines tools. We're going to go to channels and click on regression trend. We're going to grab the bottom of the market, drag it up to the most current or where you want to see the trend, click on it, and then you will see the resistance, the support, and the general direction that the market is in regards to the trend.